How to use Visa gift card on Goat. Visa company facilitates electronic funds transfers worldwide, primarily through its Visa-branded credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards. In order to use Visa gift card on Goat, go to Goat website goat.com and log in your account. Then suppose I want to buy the shoes. I choose the product. Then it will take me this checkout page. From here I will enter email, country, state, zip code, etc. Then click Save and Continue. Then in this page, select Visa as payment method and enter the Visa gift card details, including card number, expiration date, CVV. Click Place Order to complete the transaction. That's it. Thanks for watching.